What's up guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm cutting my hair and I'm super excited about it. I'm not sure you can tell how excited I am right now, but I hope that in the course of this video you get to find out how much joy this is bringing me. Yeah.
Of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can long. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but we'll change it. I would like to tell you
that's if I don't want to blow dry it. I could either blow dry or leave it this way overnight. I think in this case I'll blow dry very soon, or better still, I'll just leave it overnight, then let you see how it goes later. Hey so today it's the final stage of my styling process. Remember, I molded yesterday, and as at when I finished it was very late, so I decided to just leave the hair overnight and style today. And I'll be using this Kipozi professional salon tool. It's a 3/10 inch. I don't know if that's right. If I'm saying it the wrong way, I'm going to do a voiceover in the right way. It's a titanium hair styling iron, and I'll link the details because I can't start reading all of the things it has on it. It's just perfect for pixie cuts. Look. Anyway, I'll be using this styling iron. I'll also be using these combs to put the hair in place, so keep watching because I'm about to start and I won't be talking a lot in the process. I forgot to add that there's a mirror right in front of me, so I'll be looking down a whole lot. Sorry about that. I'll be looking down to the side, you know, left, right, because that's where the mirror is. I'm just going to unravel this to see how well it molded.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow?